Hello, Paul here from Beginner Guitar Academy, and in this video we are going to be looking at Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. This is an awesome riff to get going your power chords, as we're just going to move along one string. So really good to start getting used to the power chord shape and transitioning to different frets. So if you're new to power chords, this would be a really cool riff to have a go at. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, and head over to beginnerguitaracademy.com/blog to find the blog post that includes all the 4 White Stripe riffs, as well as the opportunity to download the tab for the riffs. So now that's out of the way, let's dive in with a close-up and I'll show you how to play this riff. Seven Nation Army is just power chords. It's a really cool riff to practice your power chord shapes. So a power chord is where we are going to hold 7th fret on the A string, and we're going to put our 3rd finger on 9th fret of the D string. So this is also a 5 chord, and in music you'll see it's written as the number 5. So this is an E5 chord. So 1st finger, 7th fret on the A string, and 3rd finger on the 9th fret of the D string. Now you could use pinky finger if it's a bit too stretchy using your 3rd finger, but the most important thing is having this empty fret in between your 2 fingers. So we're going to start here on the E, so fret 7 with finger 1. We're then just going to take that shape and slide it up to fret 10. So now 3rd finger is on fret 12. So again, we've got that empty fret in between. That's our G5. Only other chords we've got is D5 at fret 5, and then our C5 at fret 3 and B5 at fret 2. Same idea of all the shapes. We've got this empty fret in between, 1st finger on the A string, 3rd finger or pinky finger on the D string. So now if we put that in the music, so we're going to play the E5 twice, then 10, 7, 5, 3, the gap, and then 2. So that's the riff. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. You see I'm just sliding that shape along the string, just like that. Bit much speed. We've got this 1, 2, 3, and 2. Then everything to watch out for the 10, the 9 and the 5 as it starts to come backwards. We have got little staccato dots. So you want to strum it, stop it with the palm of your right hand, or just lift the pressure off. Obviously if you've got distortion in here that it kind of rings out the sound, so you've got to be really careful there of the muting. So that's why I'd probably opt for right hand. Just touch the strings. So strum, stop, strum, stop, strum, stop. Obviously that's very quick. More that kind of speed. So put it all back together again. Like that. And there we go, there's Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes.